I'm a internal medicine and pediatric critical care physician that works at a resource limited hospital in rural Kenya called Kijabe Hospital. My wife and I both were the first people in our family to go to college. ETSU offered that opportunity to us. I had known about ETSU my entire life and got the opportunity to go there to play baseball. We graduated from ETSU. Both our families live there in East Tennessee. We have a lot of love and appreciation for the region and ETSU. I think the values that are part of the DNA of the region that helped me get to where I am are the values of closeness, the values of family, the values of caring for neighbor. What I do on a daily basis here in Kenya, I care for a community and I'm a part of a different family. We went to a rural area to where I was the only internal medicine and pediatric doctor for that hospital. There were some amazing Kenyan surgeons there, but if it wasn't a surgical problem, then it was left to me. One of the coolest things I get to do is teach, and we have various training programs here at Kijabe Hospital. I did donate blood today for one of our patients. It's something that happens frequently. There's not a blood banking system, a good blood banking system in the country outside of Nairobi. And some days it's easier than others. Some days I lose a little bit of blood over it, but I'm really grateful that I get to do it. Being a first generation college student makes me feel incredibly lucky. My parents, even though they hadn't gone to college, they made it important for me if that was something I wanted to do. I've been incredibly fortunate to get as far as I have. Being open-minded about the experience of meeting new people and learning new things and potentially going new places, I think you'd be hard-pressed to argue against that. For my wife and I, it was ETSU that opened those doors for us. If my son grows up and wants to go to ETSU, then that'll be awesome. Even being a continent apart with the football team, in the playoffs, we were camping and, still sporting our ETSU gear and supporting the Bucs in the way that we can all the way from Kenya. Every day, whenever our kid leaves to walk to school, he actually has to walk uphill to get to school here in Kenya. So we tell him, show love and respect. I really think that that's something for us as adults to try to work out too, is showing love and respect to our communities, our families, our coworkers, and really trying to do that genuinely